Creating, editing, and deleting bills. Bills are records of owed payments for goods or services, helping businesses track expenses and manage cash flow effectively. The Finance module allows you to easily manage your bills for effective financial data management. Creating a bill. To create a new bill, begin by navigating to Finance from the Explorer sidebar and then click Bills. You are now on the Bills list page. Click on the New Bill button. This will open a flyout, allowing you to enter information into the provided fields. The fields that appear highlighted in red are mandatory for creating a new bill. Fill out the details and then click on Create and Open. Once the New Bill Details page opens, you will notice the Bill Line Items section about halfway down the page. Click New Bill Line button to start adding all the individual line items. Enter all relevant details into the flyout window. The fields of line name, quantity, and unit price are mandatory. You can enter the tax code here. GST is set by default to apply a 10% tax on the line item amount, and NT refers to no tax. A new tax code can be easily configured based on your organization's requirements. A discount can be applied on each line item as an amount or as a percentage. Once you have completed the details, click Create. Add more line items as required to complete creation of your bill. Editing a bill. To edit a bill, navigate to Bills List page. Locate the bill you want to edit, either by scrolling through or using the search bar. Click on the title of the bill you wish to edit. Here, all the editable fields of the bill are displayed. Make the necessary edits to the relevant fields and click on the Save button to store the changes. If you wish to edit the bill lines, simply find the bill line you wish to edit, click on the title, edit any relevant fields, then click Save and Close. Once you have finished editing the bill, click on the Save button. The activity feed will show a history of changes made to the bill. Deleting a bill. It is not possible to delete a bill record from the system. Observe on the Details page, the Delete button is disabled. However, you should consider changing the status to Deleted or Voided as applicable. This way, you can maintain a record of all bills. In case you have marked the status as deleted, then the record shall disappear from the Bills List main view. All the records with deleted status are present in the deleted view. However, you can delete the bill line items. To achieve the same, go to the Bill Details page, select all line items you wish to delete, then click Delete Bill Line. This will delete all the selected bill line items.